The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a tornado warning for East Central Clinton County in East Central Iowa, Southwestern Carroll County in Northwest Illinois, Northwestern Whiteside County in Northwest Illinois, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located near Camanche, moving northeast at 40 mph. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Hazard damaging tornado. Source radar confirmed tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris will be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction possible. The tornado will be near Fulton and East Clinton around 5:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Lyons, Bulgars Hollow and Thompson. Other locations affected include Soaring Eagles Nature Center. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. This storm has a history of producing tornadoes. Take cover in a basement or storm shelter now.